Hello, friends of Breezeway. I am John DiJulius, Chief Revolution Officer of the DiJulius Group and best-selling author of several books on customer experience. The DiJulius Group works with some of the top brands all over the world on helping them build a world-class customer experience. I cannot wait. I'm so excited to be one of your presenters at the Elevate Summit on March 19th at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I'm going to be sharing with you how you could become the brand your guests and your owners can't live without. How you could make your guest experience your single biggest competitive advantage. Have your team there, have your leaders on. I promise you, the only thing you'll be disappointed is the people on your team that you don't have on this summit. I can't wait to see all of you on March 19th.